Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python tuple collection slicing with positive step value. So first of all, what is this tuple in Python? So coming to some technical points, Python tuple is a sequencer data type. It is an ordered collection of data or elements, and tuple provides indexes to the collection of elements, and tuple elements are immutable. Once initialized, we cannot update, we cannot delete them, and tuple is capable of storing same type of data or different type of data, and tuple values are given in circle brackets and separated with commas. For example, we can take a tuple 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So we can call tuple as a read-only version of list. And for tuple elements, we have indexes, both positive and negative. So positive indexes starts from 0 to n minus 1, first to last in forward direction. So for this tuple, the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 elements respectively. Negative indexes are in backward direction, last to first, minus 1 to minus 5. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So now what is this slicing? So slicing means getting only required elements from a tuple like a subset or subtuple, and this is done with the help of indexes and slice operator. So the syntax goes like this: tuple of starting index colon ending index colon step value. So here ending index element is not taken into consideration. For example, tuple 1 0 to 5 step value is 2. So it will take 0, 2, 4. So step values 2, 1, 3 are not included, and 5 is also not included because it is the ending index. So the elements will be 11, 33, 55. So for negative indexes, tuple minus 5 to minus 1, step value is 2. So it will take minus 5, minus 3 only. Minus 1 is not included. So the elements will be 11, 33. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python tuple example 4. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So initially I'm taking a tuple 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So let us put this in circle brackets. So now here, right. So I'm taking first case tuple 1, 0 to 5, step value 1. So let us execute this. So put comment for the remaining cases. Come to the prompt where you have saved this and run it. So Python tuple example 4. So 0 to 5, step value 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You will get 0 to 4 indexed elements. Next, tuple 1, minus 5 to minus 1, step value is 1. So minus 5. Okay, so minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So minus 1 is not included. We'll get only 4 elements because it is the ending index. So 11 to 44. Next, we'll take a step value 2. So tuple 1 of 0 to 5, step value 2. So 0, 1, and 3. So the elements are 11, 33, 55. So anyhow, we don't have fifth index, it is not included. Next, minus 5 to minus 1, step value is 2. So minus 5, minus 3, minus 1 is not included because it is the ending index. So we got only two values, 11, 33. Next, tuple 1, 0 to minus 1, step value 2. Now this is combination of positive and negative indexes. So 0 is 11 and then minus 1 is 55. So it means 0 to 4 indirectly. So step value is 2. So we'll get 11, 33, minus 1 or 4, 55. Element is not included. Run it. 11, 33. So let us take one more combination, positive and negative indexes. Tuple 1, minus 5 to 5, step value 2. So minus 5 is 11, 5 is out of index, anyhow that is not included. So since the step value is 2, 11, 33 and 55. Right, so save this and run it. 11, 33 and 55 elements are taken into consideration. So this is how we are supposed to work with tuple collection slicing with positive step value. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.